Ever felt like you're standing at the edge of a vast, digital ocean, ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency, but you're missing one crucial thing? The boat. Or, in this case, the funds to get started? You've heard about Kraken, the secure and reliable platform, and you're itching to buy some Bitcoin, Ethereum, or maybe even those emerging altcoins you've been researching. But then, the question hits you: how exactly do I get my hard-earned cash into that digital wallet? It's like having a map to buried treasure, but no shovel. We've all been there, right? That moment of slight panic, wondering if you're about to make a mistake, or if the process is going to be incredibly complex. Because, let's be honest, the world of finance, especially crypto finance, can sometimes feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. You're not alone. Millions of people are asking the same question, and that's exactly why we're here today. Think of Kraken as your gateway to the crypto universe. It's a robust platform, known for its security and a wide range of supported assets. But, like any journey, it starts with a single step: funding your account. And that's what we're going to break down for you, step by step, so you can confidently start your crypto adventure. We're going to dive deep into the various methods available on Kraken, from bank transfers and debit card purchases to other options that might suit your specific needs. We'll also address common concerns, like processing times, fees, and security considerations, so you can make informed decisions. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly address why Kraken is a platform worth considering. It's not just about buying and selling crypto, it's about doing it safely and efficiently. Kraken's reputation for security is paramount, and they've consistently demonstrated a commitment to protecting user funds. They also offer a wide range of trading tools and features, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Now, let's get into the main event: funding your Kraken account. The first and arguably most common method is through bank transfers. This method is generally preferred for larger deposits due to lower fees compared to other options. Here's how it typically works. Account verification: ensure your Kraken account is fully verified. This is a crucial security measure and a requirement for most funding options. Kraken needs to know who you are to comply with regulations and protect against fraud. Verification usually involves providing personal information and uploading identification documents. Navigate to the funding section, log into your Kraken account and navigate to the funding section. This is where you'll find all the available deposit options. Select bank transfer, choose the bank transfer option. Kraken will provide you with the necessary banking details, including their bank name, account number, and reference code. Initiate the transfer, log into your online banking or visit your local bank branch to initiate the transfer. Make sure to accurately enter the provided details, especially the reference code, as this is crucial for Kraken to identify your deposit. Wait for processing. Bank transfers can take a few business days to process, depending on your bank and location. Be patient and keep an eye on your Kraken account for the funds to appear. Now, let's talk about debit card purchases. This method is generally faster, but it often comes with higher fees compared to bank transfers. It's a convenient option for those who want to quickly buy crypto. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section. Instead of the Funding section, you'll go to the Buy Crypto section. Select Debit Card, choose the debit card option as your payment method. Enter card details. You'll be prompted to enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Specify the amount. Enter the amount of crypto you want to purchase. Kraken will display the equivalent amount in your local currency and any applicable fees. Confirm the purchase. Review the details and confirm the purchase. The funds will be deducted from your debit card, and the crypto will be added to your Kraken account. It's important to note that Kraken may have specific requirements for debit card purchases, such as card type and issuing bank. Be sure to check the platform's guidelines for the most up-to-date information. Beyond bank transfers and debit cards, Kraken also supports other funding methods, which can vary depending on your location. These may include wire transfers, similar to bank transfers but often used for larger international transactions. Various e-wallets, depending on your location, Kraken may support various e-wallets, offering a convenient and fast way to fund your account. Specific local payment methods. Kraken is continuously expanding its support for local payment methods to cater to users in different regions. Now, let's address some common concerns that people have when funding their Kraken account. Fees. Fees can vary significantly depending on the funding method. Bank transfers generally have lower fees, while debit card purchases and other faster methods may incur higher fees. Always check the fee structure before initiating a deposit. Processing times. Processing times can also vary. Bank transfers can take a few business days, while debit card purchases are usually processed instantly. Always factor in processing times when planning your transactions. Security. Security is paramount when dealing with your finances. Kraken employs robust security measures to protect user funds, including two-factor authentication and cold storage for the majority of its digital assets. However, it's essential to take your own security precautions, such as using strong passwords and being wary of phishing scams. Verification. As mentioned earlier, account verification is crucial for most funding options. Be prepared to provide the necessary documentation to verify your identity. Minimum and maximum deposits. Kraken typically sets minimum and maximum deposit amounts for different funding methods. Be sure to check the platform's guidelines for these limits. When deciding which funding method to use, consider the following factors. Speed. If you need funds quickly, a debit card purchase may be the best option. Fees. If you're looking to minimize fees, a bank transfer may be more suitable. Convenience. Consider which method is most convenient for you, based on your banking preferences and location. Amount. For larger deposits, bank transfers or wire transfers may be preferred. It's always a good idea to start with a small deposit to familiarize yourself with the process and ensure everything works smoothly. Once you're comfortable, you can gradually increase your deposit amounts. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is dynamic and constantly evolving. Funding methods and fees can change, so it's crucial to stay updated on Kraken's latest guidelines and announcements. In summary, funding your Kraken account is a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand the different options available and their associated fees and processing times. By following the steps outlined in this video and taking the necessary security precautions, you can confidently fund your account and start your crypto journey. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.